Raju was planning to buy a family insurance policy for himself and his family. On his way back home from the office, he saw a small stall in the name of ABC Insurance Company.
Hello, I am planning to buy an insurance policy for my family.
Sir, you have come to the right place. We have started this outlet in public places especially for launching new insurance schemes.
That is great. What are the options available?
Sir, the best one for a family is the Suraksha plan, in which you will get to lakh cover for a premium of 10,000 rupees.
Okay, I will discuss this with my family and let you know.
Sir, we have opened this special outlet only for today. If you are ready to pay now, we will give the policy at a 50% discount. All you need to pay will be 5,000 rupees.
Okay, that is great. I will pay you right now. I must pay through the payment option on your site, right?
No, sir. This is a one-time special offer. You need to transfer the amount to this account number 1231231231 account name, ABC Insurance Company. Our office agent will deliver the policy documents to your home in 7 days.
Okay, I have transferred the amount. Thank you.
Even after 10 days, he did not receive any documents. Raju called the ABC Insurance Company.
We don't have any such outlet. Also, we have a specific payment option on our official website. We do not entertain any other mode of transfer. Looks like you have been duped.
Do not pay anybody without verifying the authenticity of the company. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.